Google AI Studio just built this full AI tool finder from a prompt. No manual coding, no design software, and no dragging blocks around. I wanted to see how far Google's build experience could go, so I started from zero. The challenge was to create a Fisi Tech Lab app that helps beginners find the right AI tool for a specific task. My first prompt asked for a modern SaaS interface, search working category filters for ChatGPT, Gemini, NotebookLM, AI image, AI video and productivity tools, plus AI tool cards, tutorials, and a YouTube subscribe section. I pasted the prompt once and let Google AI Studio plan the app, generate the interface, and build the project. I did not edit the code myself. After the first generation, the app was already functional. It had a dark AI-style design, a search bar, categories, tool cards, and Fisi Tech Lab branding. I also checked the code briefly, and multiple project files had been created automatically from the prompt. Then I tested the first version. The hero section, tool cards, categories, learning areas, and the AI matcher experience all worked inside the live preview. The result was already useful, but I wanted it to look closer to a real premium AI product. So I gave Google AI Studio a second prompt: make the website more premium and futuristic, improve the hero section, typography, spacing, interactions, and tool cards, while keeping all existing functionality. The second pass made a noticeable difference. The navigation looked cleaner, the presentation felt more polished, and the site looked much closer to a finished SaaS product. I tested the final app again, including the AI matcher and its task choices. This is now an interactive prototype, not just a static mock-up. What matters here is not simply that AI can generate code. The impressive part is how quickly one prompt can turn an idea into something you can actually click, and a second prompt can redesign and improve it without manually touching the code. For a serious production app, you would still need testing, security checks, real data, and careful review. But for prototypes and turning an idea into a working experience fast, this is extremely powerful. 2 prompts, no manual coding. And this is the result. Subscribe to Fisi Tech Lab for more real tests of ChatGPT, Gemini, and the newest AI tools.